Many patients worrying about ovarian stimulation and try to avoid it, and they ask about natural cycle IVF. I always reply for these patients that each procedure has its own indications, especially when we realize that the efficacy of procedure is not optimal. When we can use natural cycle IVF. When person has contraindications for ovarian stimulation, we have a special group of such patients. The number of follicles within the ovaries is too small to provide ovarian stimulation. So then we have advanced stage patient or patient with premature ovarian failure or insufficiency. We can use natural cycle IVF. How does it work? We start ultrasound monitoring of the follicular growth, and then the follicle reach peri-ovulatory size. We prescribe trigger for oocyte maturation and then try to pick up this oocyte. And if our ovarian puncture was successful and we retrieved mature oocyte, we can fertilize it or freeze down it. It will depend on each situation. Why this procedure is not very effective? Follicle can grow up not during each cycle. It can be ruptured sharply. This oocyte can be immature, or it can be bad in quality, so it cannot be fertilized sometimes. And finally, embryos can develop differently, and some of them can stop in development, so we will not have any embryo transfer. So that's why natural cycle IVF has much more lower efficacy versus conventional IVF.